Here we are in front of O'Reilly's to work on a 1994 Mercedes E300. Now, I am not sure if these handprints on the side here are all the children that he has ran over, or if this is just a nice collage made by his daughter. But nonetheless, this vehicle needs some work, and we're going to go ahead and replace the water pump on this thing and kind of clean it up a little bit, see what else needs to be done. Apparently, Mercedes knew you'd be working on these things, so they have this little button here that you can go ahead and push and get her put into service mode. That way you can pull the motor out and just replace it, because that's how it usually goes with the Mercedes anyway. You should always take a picture or a video when you get down into something like this, so that you can remember not to ever work on one of these things again. Why would you want to do it twice? Ever. Ever. Well, I will get this thing buttoned up, and I will try not to add any more handprints to the side of the vehicle or the hood as I'm delivering it back to the customer this afternoon. No promises.